Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be making a video. I'll be giving you a recipe. I'm showing you how to make my weight gain juice, which is easy to prepare and super sweet. So let's just get right into it. So this is literally what we need: soybeans, banana, evaporated and condensed milk, vanilla extract. Let's get right into it. This is soybeans, and we wash it to make sure that, just like making akara, you have to wash it to peel the back off, else you're going to be eating rubbish and seed and back and all these irritating things will be showing. So the bananas, we'll peel them. So I didn't finish peeling all because it was a bit too much. So why am I showing you guys the ingredient again? Anyways, this is soybeans, the bananas, the condensed milk. Okay. The vanilla extract to make it sweet. Funny how that thing is bitter but makes things sweet. Anyways, this is the evaporated milk. And now we get right into blending it. So we're going to blend it now. You can also use maca, if I'm correct. Maca. You can search maca, you know what it is. Then you can use it in place of soybeans, or you can use both. But if you use both, if you use both, you might have reactions on your skin or your body, because it makes I don't know what it does again. I've forgotten. But using both is not really advisable, unless you'll be taking it like twice a week. That's when to be good. But maca also works. If you want to gain weight, you can use maca. And this, you shouldn't drink it. I don't know, but I feel everyone has their own body kidney. So if I drink this like 5 times a week, I start having reactions on my body. I have different reactions. I advise you just drink it 3 times or 4 times a week and rest. Okay, so I have to sieve this thing 5 times so I don't get particles. I really hate tasting particles. So after you're done sieving everything, you have to, then you blend. You put it in the blender. You put the extract in the blender. Then you pour all the milk, all the bananas, put everything, the egg. I've already put the banana here because I got distracted talking to my siblings. So you just put the egg. I even forgot to show you guys the egg. You put everything, then you blend along. I don't know why I'm taking too long. Fucking blend, fam. Well, there are different other recipes. You could also Google that out. I plan to try out other recipes too, and of course share with you guys. But this is just the one I've been taking. I took it for 1 month and boom, I exploded. I am as big as, I was size 8 before, and now I'm size 12. That is crazy. I took it for 1 month and I got size 10. And I've taken it for like 3 months now and I'm size 12. Although I've stopped taking it like that because, well, I don't want to explode. So this is the outcome. It is sweet. Everything I used to make is literally sugar, so expect it to be sweet. It's very sweet. So that is that. This was my before, when I was still in school suffering, and this is after, when I came home. And you need rest, and if you want to boost your fatness, you can take apitamine or all those multivitamins alongside the drink, so you gain weight that much. So thank you.